Hey, welcome to Charismindful. I'm Dr. Amy Miltich.
I am Matthew Hill.
And today we want to go back to the basics and talk about who we are and what we want to do, what we want to gain out of Charismindful.
We want you to have a better relationship with yourself, peace of mind, and a better relationship with your people, with the people at work, with the people that you're around on a daily basis. Maybe your fiance, maybe your stepkids, soon to be stepkids, maybe your children, people in general. Everything is about relationships and connection. That is why we do this. Why are we doing this for you?
Well, the short answer would be ditto, but connection for sure. Connection dictates how happy you are, how unhappy you are. So all of your emotions we can really kind of trace back to how connected are you with, your core people.
From us, you can expect honesty. Everything is not always sunshine and rainbows. And one of the things neither of us like about social media is the constant looking at the positive side of things. And that's just not life. Our lives are not always wonderful. We have struggles, we have conflict, we have to deal with those things. And one of the things you're not going to get out of us is sugarcoating or BS.
Well, there might be a bit of sugarcoating. I really cannot stand when I'm on social media and maybe I know somebody personally and they post something about their life and I know for a fact that it's not true. I also don't like someone's professional media image and it's too perfect because then I know it's just so crafted and it's so arranged and archived. I find it unbelievable. And I want you to know that whatever you're doing or however you're struggling, it's okay. Like Matt said, life is hard, life is long, life is short. However you're feeling right now is okay. And I think we get so hung up on how difficult things can be. And we're so hard on ourselves that you just don't need to be. And that doesn't help the picture. So, if there's anything I want people to walk away with, it's that really you're doing okay.
Be gentle with yourself. If your practice of compassion does not include yourself, it is woefully incomplete. Not everybody has all the tools in the toolbox. If you don't have a tool, there are things we were trying to do here to help maybe give you some tools. But if you don't have it, go easy on yourself.
Sometimes you have the tools and they don't work as well as you want them to. And that's okay too.
Thank you for stopping by and giving us your attention and your time. We greatly appreciate it. We want this to be some benefit to you. Please let us know in the comments what we can talk about that matters to you, because that's what we want to do. In the meantime,
so now for the shameless plug, like our videos, subscribe, turn on post notifications, check out our website below, comment, give us feedback. That helps us make things better. Pay no attention to this man over here.
Do all those things. We love you. You are important. Be gentle with yourself. Thanks for stopping in.
For sure.